Tronic Tower Fan TRV35A1. Alright guys, today unboxing the Tronic TRV35A1 tower fan. I picked this up from Lidl and their budget tower fan for small rooms. Let's see what we get for the price. Okay, first impressions, the box is pretty slim, which makes sense, size it's tower fan, nothing too heavy here. Inside, we've got the manual, transport bracing, a main adapter. Yeah, this one doesn't use a normal plug, it runs on adapter. The remote control, small, basic, but handy. The fan itself. So this is Bladeless tower fan. Because it's bladeless, it's easy to clean, just wipe it down, no grills to deal with. And no risk of injury if you've got kids or pets around, which a big plus. The size is 249 millimeters by 249 millimeters at the base and 970 millimeters tall. So basically a slim 97 centimeters tower. Fits in corners easy. Design-wise, it's got this stylish matte finish. Looks pretty clean, not cheap plastic vibes. It's got a non-slip base, so it won't slide around. One thing I actually like about Tronic from Lidl, they give you a 3-year warranty. Just make sure you keep your receipt. Cable is 180 centimeters long, which is about 6 feet, so you've got some reach to the socket. Remove this plastic before using the remote. When it comes with a remote plus battery included, so you don't have to hunt for batteries. These buttons shows the timer and which operating modes you're on. And the LED display on the front shows you're on. Remote's got the same buttons, so you can control it from bed or the couch. Timer function if you wanted to shut off automatically at night. For settings, you get 20 speed, so you can go from tiny breeze to full power. Then there's 4 operating modes. Normal for regular cooling, natural, which mimics outdoor wind, sleep mode that gets quieter through the night, and power mode if you max airflow. Power draw is only 3.5 watts, so it won't kill your electric bill. Oscillation is solid too. You can set it to 30, 60, 90, or 120, so it can sweep a little bit or cover the whole room. Even air distribution too, so it doesn't just blast you in one spot, it spread the cooling out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment.